Wait, Sissy, wait. Wait, Sissy. What happened? What's the matter? Okay, listen to them. They're right here. They're right here. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job, Cece. Yes, good holding. Good job. What are you doing? What are you doing, Kyle?
And you know who I want to thank? I want to thank you.